Vivo V29, a feature-packed mid-range marvel intro. Welcome to ZK Mobile. Welcome to ZK Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the Vivo V29, a stylish and powerful device that offers an impressive mix of design, performance, and camera capabilities. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the competitive mid-range segment. Sleek design display. The Vivo V29 boasts a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. The curved edge design gives it a premium feel, while the ultra-slim body ensures a comfortable grip. With a high-resolution 1.5K display, colors appear rich and sharp, making it perfect for entertainment and gaming. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V29 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, offering efficient performance for everyday tasks and gaming. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, this phone handles multitasking with ease. The 4600 mAh battery supports 80 watts fast charging, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. Impressive camera system. Photography enthusiasts will love the Vivo V29's camera setup. The 50MP main sensor, with OIS, optical image stabilization, captures sharp and detailed images even in low light. The 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP depth sensor add versatility, while the 50MP front camera ensures stunning selfies. The OR light feature enhances night photography, making portraits look more professional. Software features. Running on FunTouch OS 13, based on Android 13, the Vivo V29 brings a clean and feature-rich experience. Customization options, eye enhancements, and improved privacy settings make daily usage smooth and secure. Additionally, 5G connectivity ensures faster internet speeds for seamless streaming and browsing. Final thoughts. The Vivo V29 is a well-rounded smartphone that excels in design, performance, and photography. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who loves stylish devices, this phone is worth considering. Stay tuned to ZK Mobile for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech updates.